Hello everyone, you're watching EngLanGo and this is your instructor Hamid Talash Ibrahimi with you all with one of the most interesting and important topic. The topic that I brought today is about from the family of tenses and that is about simple future tense. Present tenses are done, past family is done. Now we are going to study about simple future tense. What is simple future tense? Simply, a tense which is going to use or a tense that we use for the future, to describe future. An action that we are going to do in the future. Now, be going to and will, they both are used to describe future activities or actions. For example, I will go to bazaar tomorrow. I will play cricket on Sunday. I will meet my friends on Saturday. That's how you're using future tense or simple future tense. But you must not stop here. आपने इधर रोकना नहीं है. You need to learn more about simple future tense. You need to know the usages of it, the conditions in which we are using simple future tense. The first condition that we use simple future tense is when we are going to take a decision at the moment of speaking about something, we are using it. We are going to use simple future tense for it. For example, it is cold, I will close the window. It is cold, I will have a cup of coffee. It is getting late, I will leave the office. That's what and that's how we are using simple future tense in this condition. Other condition that we are using simple future tense is predictions. पेशगोई जब हम करते हैं किसी काम के, or when we are describing future plan. For example, I will come late to the party. They will arrive on Sunday. That's how you are giving the prediction. It will rain tomorrow. Prediction. But with this prediction, we usually use I think, probably, maybe. That's important to know about it. I think I will meet you. I mean, I'm not 100% sure. अगर मैं 100% sure होता हूँ, then we are using be going to in the future tense for sure predictions or for sure plans. I'm going to go to Islamabad. I'm going to meet my friends. I'm going to play cricket. It means I'm sure about these predictions, or when I'm describing a plan like this, I'm sure about it. But if I am not sure completely, then we are using, or we are not sure, we are using future perfect, simple future tense. Simple future tense. For example, I think I will, probably I will, maybe I will meet you. I mean, I'm not confirmed. If I'm confirmed, then I'm saying I'm going to meet you. But that will is more formal. Sometimes when we are sitting in the formal gatherings, like meetings, or we are in the office, or we are, standing in front of the teacher, or we are communicating to our elders, तो फिर उस वक्त हम formal way of communication use करते हैं. So for using formal way of communication, we need to know that we should use will. Another usage of simple future tense is when we are going to go for request or an offer in the future. Or when we are going to give offer or request, we are using simple future tense for that too. For example, I will drop you tomorrow. I will take you to the airport. I will arrange a party for you. I will go with you to the school. We will have fun tonight. That's how you are going to give offer, or you make a request. Well, I will use your pen. Will you give me this smartphone, or will you give me your laptop? That's how we are making request or offer. Another usage of the simple future tense that you must not forget it, that is when we are going to go for describing promises, threats, or warning when we give to someone, we are using simple future tense for that too. उसके लिए भी हम simple future tense use करते हैं. For example, I will beat you. I will threat you. If you talk to me, I will forgive you. If you come to the party, I will meet you soon. Or if you come to the party, I will meet you. It's a promise that you're making. For example, we will not allow outsiders. This is a warning or caution that we are going to give, or instruction that we are going to give. Sometimes people are going to threaten, I will shoot you. I will not, I will shoot you. And sometimes when we are going to promise, I will marry you. So when you are describing such kind of promises, you must know and you must be clear about it, that we are using it with simple future tense. Obviously, when you love someone, you're making promise, and then you're saying that, okay, I love you and I will marry you and I will have a better life with you and we will have kids and they'll be naughty and they'll be doing XYZ. That's how you're making these promises for the future. It was only a joke. In the end, if there's any question, you're most welcome to ask me. If not, have a great time. Take a great care of yourself. Stay blessed. Stay ahead.